Presenting the best in true wireless stereo earbuds. True wireless earbuds with noise cancellation, MSRP $139. To start using your wireless earbuds, click Connect on your mobile phone pop-out window. Press and hold the button at the back of the charging case for 3 to 4 seconds. After successful connection, click Finish. You can see the power display of the individual earbuds and charging box. The wireless earbuds come with the in-ear detection light sensor. It automatically detects when you place them in your ear, and music will start playing. Take off the earphones and music will stop playing automatically. You can put back either one of the earbuds and music can still be played on one side. Press on the touch control area of the earbud and you can control one side of the earbud. D-Lab. Your choice for manufacturing.